Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be starting with the basics of crochet, the slip knots. So for this you'll be using some yarn, a hook, and let's get started. So first you wrap it around your two fingers over here like this and take it from your fingers. Then take this tail end over here and wrap it like this. Then take your hook and insert it here and grab both tails and pull. And if you want to tighten it, you pull this tail. If you want to remove it, you pull both ends. That is how to make a slip knot. Let's repeat that one more time. Wrap it around your two fingers and then take it off your fingers. Then take this part like this over here. Then take your hook, insert it over here, hold both ends, and pull. To tighten, hold this. There are other ways to make a slip knot. Let's go over another way. First, wrap your fingers like this. Wrap it over your fingers like this. Then insert your hook and do this. Then take it off. And that makes a pretzel for you. This is like another way to make the pretzel. And then insert it over here through this side and pull. That is another way to make a slip knot. Let's repeat that way one more time. To make it disappear, pull through both ends. Wrap it around both of your fingers. Insert your hook like this and remove it. And then take it over here and insert your hook where this tail is. Then take both sides and pull. Tighten, pull this tail. Those are the two ways to make a slip knot. With the slip knot, you can do many things. So let's now review how to hold your yarn. To hold your yarn, take your finger, your index finger, and wrap it around like this. I won't be teaching you everything today. In the next video, I'll be teaching you how to make the chain. With the slip knots, you can make many things now you've learned it. You can make chains and single crochets and half double crochets on top of those chains, like this. But I'll teach you that later. To undo everything, just pull it. That's all for this video. See you next time.